May breaking news tayo ngayon, no? May nangyari kanina sa Senado, mga kakabsat, nagkagulo na naman ng mga senador natin. Paano ba naman itong si Marcoleta, ipinilit na naman yung pagkanyang proposal amendments, no? Na payagan na daw na magkaroon ng online participation, no? Itong mga senador. Bakit? Sino bang mag-atin ng online? Sino asahan nyo? Si Bato? At saka yung mga may kaso? Tandaan yun! Ang dami niya! By Thursday, mag-aain na ng kaso ang ombudsman. Kanino? Sa hinog na. hinog na plunder. Sino mga may plunder cases dyan? Ha? Sinong may kakaraping plunder dyan? Joel. Jinggoy. Ha? Sino pa? Si Cheese, Marcoleta. Bakit? Siyempre pag nilabas yung warrant of arrest nila, kulong sila. Lagas. Pang-5 si Bato. Pang-6 si Bongo kapag dumating na yung ICC. Pero imposible mag-online sa ICC, bawal yun. Ngayon tarantang na sa Kausat, no? Kaya gusto nilang amendahan, no, yung rules. Kaya nagkagulo kanina mga 1 hour ago lang, mabsat, no? Yuki Sawaki, shout out, Kabsat. Marinette, shout out. Jess Beltran Jr., shout out. Gandang drama kanina. Kaya nga sabay nating panuorin to. Diyos ko, ubos talaga. Marinette, ubos sila. Lahat sila. Pati yung 2 bilyar na magkapatid may kaso. May kaso sa SEC, di ba? Walang maiiwan sa kanila. Ang sino maiiwan? Si Cayetano. Saka si Amy Marcos. 3 lang silang maiiwan. Si Robin Hood, may kami kaso din. Iniisip na ng ICC na kasuhan itong si Robin Hood. Di ba? At saka yung obstruction na ginawa nila. Ay, hindi! Kasama si Cayetano! Ala! Robin Hood, Cayetano. Di ba? Obstruction. Sino pa? 2 bilyar. 3 musketeers. Sino yung 3 musketeers? Joel, Jinggoy, Estrada. Jinggoy. Tsaka sino to? Joel, Jinggoy. Tsaka si Cheese. 7. Bongo. Parating yung ICC. Bato. Ay, tragis, 9 sila. 9 sila na may problema. Sino yung walang problema doon? Si Pia at si Amy Marcos lang. Marcoleta, kasama pa, plunder case. Ay, si Lauren matitira nga, no? Kaso may kaso yung anak niya. Si Leandro. Oh my God. Kaya naman, gigil na gigil sila, di ba? Na-amyendahan ito. Ito, wag na natin. Puntahan na natin. Diyos ko, Lord Rudy. Wag na natin patagalin ito. Tanggalin natin yung background music para to. Sige, pasok. Rodante Marcoleta.
Yes.
Mahina.
Pasok natin ako dito, ha.
Madam President, last May 11, 2026, the distinguished gentleman from Tarlac, Pampanga, and Rizal, Senator
Ito yung nangyari kanina.
1
hour ago lang.
to the rules of the Senate, particularly Rule 14, Section 41. Pursuant to Section 136 of our Rules of the Senate, a motion to amend the rules must be presented at least 1 day before its consideration. Hence, Madam President, in compliance with our rules, the gentleman from Tarlac, Pampanga, and Rizal, Senator Marcoleta, is seeking the floor, Madam President. I move that he be recognized to explain his proposed motion.
Nilda Arceo, shout out. Loretta, shout out. Loren, na lang ang natitira. Yes, Marinette.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, I would just like to reiterate for the record the proposal to amend Rule 14, Section 41, Senate session. The proposal, Madam President, is by way of an additional paragraph, Section 41C, after Section 41B of Rule 14 of the Senate Rules, which will state as follows. Section 41C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference.
Wow! To participate, mga senator, teleconference, online? Ano yan, Zoom? Ha? Ay, anak, kabado kayo, no? Kasi lahat kayo may kaso. Pwede kayong makulong. Tragis, ubos kayo.
Conference or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communication technology. I so move, Madam President.
Ito na. Ayan na. Dito na.
Take note of the motion of Senator Rodante Marcoleta. I recognize Senator Ping
Yes,
Lacson.
thank you, Madam
Yes.
President. This is a parliamentary inquiry. What is the status of the motion introduced by the Honorable Marcoleta last May 11? Has it been referred to the Committee on Rules?
I am told that it's been referred to the Committee on Rules, Majority Leader.
Yes, it has been referred to the Committee on Rules, and that's why in this particular deliberation, the Committee on Rules is giving it back to the floor for a plenary action, Madam President.
Thank you, Mr. President. Has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
I believe that Senator Joel Villanueva is the acting Majority Leader.
Yes.
And would be the best position
Okay.
to answer
Thank
the
you,
question.
Madam President.
In the meantime, I recognize Senate President Cayetano.
Madam Chair, with the permission of Senator Villanueva, so the Committee on Rules is not reporting out the
No, my
The
question, Mr.
proposal.
President. I'm sorry,
Yes.
Madam President. With your permission, my question is, has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
yes. So, Madam President, the answer there is the same answer to the question of Senator Pangilinan and former Senate President Soto, that in accordance with Section 19, is the same. They continue to function. Having said that, I was explaining that the motion of Senator Villanueva was not for the Committee on Rules to report out what was referred to them, but to return to the plenary. Because if you look at Section 136 of our rules, the rules may be amended by means of a motion, which should be presented at least one day before its consideration, and a vote of majority senators present shall be required for its approval. So you do not need the endorsement nor the forwarding of the Committee of Rules for the amendment of the Committee on for the amendments of the rules. So the only requirement is that it is put on the floor at least one day before, or the proposal is made, and that a majority of the senators present will vote for its approval. So I just wanted to clarify that, just so that we don't have any miscommunication that whether or not the Rules Committee met, who are the members, etc. Because right now that's irrelevant, because we have given back to the plenary the proposal.
Very clear. Thank you, Senate
Madam
President.
President,
Senator Lacson's
does
recommendation.
it mean that we are now disregarding the committees of the Senate? So the committee chairman or the chairman of any committee, including the Rules Committee, may just report out any motion or any resolution referred to it in plenary, and then just, it is within his power to just report it out by himself without any deliberation in the committee, without any committee report. Is that the new rule now, Mr. President? Madam
It
President?
is
Madam
clearly.
There's no new rule. I read the rule.
Yeah.
Senator Lacson is referring to resolutions or
And motion.
communications or anything referred to the Committee on Rules. We're talking about a motion to amend the rules. We had the option of taking it up, but since everyone asked for one more day, it was given to the Committee on Rules. The Committee on Rules has an option to take it up, but the acting majority leader or acting chairman of the committee gave it back to plenary, and the plenary is more, how do I put it,
Supreme.
supreme, thank you, Senator Lacson, over the committee. So we didn't disregard the committee. It is our choice from the start whether we want to give it to the committee or not. So when we give it, so for example, I have a motion now to to extend the session to June 12 instead of June 5. That can be given to the Committee on Rules, or upon coordination with the House, the plenary can decide it directly, or we can give it to the Committee on Rules, and after he talks to the House of Representatives, he can even report it out, or he can easily, legally, morally, just say that I am tossing it back to the plenary, which is what's happening today.
Thank you,
it's not
Madam
a new rule.
President. That is assuming that there was no referral. But in this case, and I'd like to invite the attention of the body to Journal Number 62, dated May 11, 2026. And if I may read the particular portion of this journal, proposed at 6:25 p.m., the session was resumed. Proposed amendment to the rules of the Senate. Senator Marcoleta proposed an amendment to Rule 14, Senate sessions of the rules, by inserting a new paragraph C under Rule 41, which reads, A or C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology. Now, here's the portion, Mr. President, or Madam President. While expressing no objection to the proposal, Senate President Cayetano A. suggested giving the Committee on Rules time to discuss the matter. Now, my question is, was there any discussion by the Committee on Rules? Apparently, there was none, because it's now being reported out by the acting majority leader without consultation with any of the members. And by the way, Madam President, wala pang Committee on Rules eh.
I believe that it was mentioned, and I will reiterate from my understanding that there was no Committee on Rules meeting because that motion is reverted back to plenary.
Madam Chair.
Meaning we are not ignoring the fact that, of course, committees must hold meetings, but this particular motion is being referred back to plenary. And may we just put on record, it says in rule or section 136, the rules may also be amended by means of a motion which should be presented at least one day, and we're complying with that, before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session shall be required for its approval. I believe that is what the Senate President had explained.
Evidently, Madam President, action was taken. And the action was to refer it to the Committee on Rules since the position of Majority Floor Leader was vacated. So how can the committee properly function in the absence of a committee, of the committee members?
As the
Now, I'll
Senate
invite-
President
Madam Chair.
had stated,
Let me finish,
there is a
Madam
rule
President.
of a continuing operations of the committee.
But they
while
were
the new
vacated,
head has
Madam
not been.
President. Walang members ang Committee on Rules. So we cannot invoke continuity because we vacated all committees, all positions, including the members. And may I invite you to Section 24 of our rules, Madam President. The committees shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them. This was transmitted to the Committee on Rules. So the committees shall hold, including the Committee on Rules, shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report. There's no report, Mr. President or Madam President.
Madam President.
So we're violating our own rules.
We recognize Senate
Yeah,
President. Kim.
Mr. President, the chair already made the ruling and it's not appropriate to argue with the chair because as explained to Senator Lacson, the committee did not report it out. He read the journal of May 11, but he did not read the motion of Senator Joel today. His motion today was pursuant to Rule 136 of the rules, a motion to amend the rules, meaning if Joel was no longer the majority leader, if I was the majority leader now, or even an ordinary member, that motion was carried. No one objected that we take it up. Because, Madam Chair, we're bringing it back to plenary. So natural po, walang discussion sa Committee on Rules. Kasi wala naman po sa rules natin na kailangan i-discuss sa Committee on Rules. We did that on May 11 so that everyone will have an opportunity to study the rule. It's a very simple amendment. So we should go to the discussion of the amendment if anyone is objecting to the amendment. But definitely, the right to propose an amendment is a right guaranteed by our rules. Senator Marcoleta has an amendment. We should go to discussing the merits or demerits of having that rule. You already ruled that it is proper for the plenary to take it up. So may I request or move that we, if there are any objection, we discuss their objection.
I'm objecting. That's the effect of my manifestation, Madam President. I'm objecting because I'm invoking Section 24 of our rules. And as I read into the records, the journal of May 11, 2026, na-refer po ito sa Committee on Rules. And there was no discussion. Action was taken actually by this body.
Then, Madam Chair, if there's an objection, may I move that we divide the House?
Point of order, Madam President.
On that issue, not on the issue of whether or not the rule is good. That your issue is whether or not it's proper
Mavic.
to take it up on the floor. The position of the majority is that there's no rule being violated. So we will vote. The presiding officer has already ruled, but the gentleman continues to object. So we have to vote on it. We're not voting on the amendment yet. We're voting on whether the amendment is proper or not.
Yes, interjection, Madam President.
Yes, Minority Leader Senator Soto.
We will have to support that resolution or thinking
Jinggoy!
of Senator Lacson.
Problemado si Jinggoy.
We did not constitute the Committee on Rules. So what are we discussing right now? I suggest that we constitute the Committee on Rules and discuss it there. How do I know this? Ako minority leader eh. Hindi ako member ng rules. Ex officio eh. Tumawag ba? Hindi. Ano to? Binabraso?
Point of order, Madam. Where in the rules does it say that an amendment has to pass the Committee on Rules?
Section 24, Madam President.
Anong sabi po sa Section 24?
The
Section-
committee shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them. And
Madam
this-
Chairman, that's
thank
not
you.
the rule. The rule
Yes.
is 136.
136. Can you
So-
please, for the third time, may we request the Senate President to read into the
The
record
rules
Rule
may be amended
136.
by means of a motion which would be presented at least one day before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session hall shall be required for its approval. So I respect their objection. But how do we determine objections in this Senate? We vote. So if there is an objection, they have already explained their position. We have explained our
Lumalabas na
position.
yung kulay
I move
nila,
that we divide the
lumalabas
House,
na.
Madam Chair.
May I, Mr. President?